This plant taught people that after every period of unrest, there can be a quiet return. Dill. Gentle, refreshing, quietly restoring, yet long connected. With balance, restoration, and the feeling of returning to what feels whole. For centuries, people turned to dill. Not for force, not for urgency, but for balance, for ease, for the quiet belief that what has been unsettled can gently find its place again. In many traditions, dill became associated with restoration, with harmony, with everyday well-being, and with creating an atmosphere of calm, steadiness, and gentle renewal, prepared through leaves, through seeds, through treasured traditions carried carefully across generations. Its presence was often understood as soothing, comforting, deeply reassuring, something simple yet quietly dependable. Its delicate leaves moved easily with the breeze, never resisting, never forcing, only flowing. A reminder that restoration does not always arrive through dramatic change. Sometimes it begins through small moments, through quiet care, through allowing ourselves to slow down and return to balance. It did not promise perfection, it invited restoration. And within that restoration, there was a belief that healing is not always about becoming someone new. Sometimes it is remembering the steadiness that has always existed beneath the noise, that what is gently nurtured day after day can slowly restore what once felt out of place. Over time, dill became connected to balance, to restoration, and to the quiet feeling of returning to inner calm. Even now, it continues to be remembered for its connection to harmony, to renewal, and to the timeless reminder that peace often returns, one quiet moment at a time. Still gentle, still restoring, still remembered. Because once balance begins to return, something lighter begins to awaken. Not only restoration, but hope. The quiet feeling that tomorrow may hold new possibilities. And that even after difficult seasons, life can begin again. A brighter feeling begins to emerge, where restoration becomes hope, and inner balance slowly begins to unfold into optimism, gentle confidence, and new beginnings. As balance quietly returns, the heart becomes lighter, and the journey continues toward hope, toward gentle optimism, toward Anus.